Good day friends, I am Dr. A.S.K. Gupta and I am going to talk to you about the fetal hydronephrosis. Fetal hydronephrosis or pilectasis are the terms which are used in the pregnancy when the renal pelvis AP diameter is more than 4 millimeters up to 20 weeks of gestation, more than 7 millimeters up to 28 weeks, and more than 10 millimeters in third trimester of gestation. We have a patient around 33 weeks of, it is 7.7 millimeters on the right hand side and 7 millimeters on the left hand side, and she is in third trimester of gestation. Is it significant? How do we come to know about all this? So what are the ancillary findings which make the hydronephrosis significant despite the fact that it is less than 9 millimeters in the third trimester? The AP diameter of the pelvis should always be measured in the axial scan of the fetus. This is the axial scan of the fetus, and you are trying to see that this is the posterior side of the fetus and this is the anterior side, and the AP diameter can be measured like this. Sometimes it can be measured in the sagittal scan also, because this is the anterior side of the fetus and this is the posterior side, and this is, if you measure it like this from here to here, then it is the AP diameter of the fetus. It should not be measured longitudinally like this. It is going to be a wrong reading. What are the ancillary findings which make the hydronephrosis significant? We should try to look for the increased echogenicity of the kidneys and associated calyceal dilatation. And if you see carefully that this calyx seems to be dilated, other calyxes are also important and they are prominent. So if the renal pelvis is dilated along with the dilated calyces, it means it is a significant finding. Secondly, persistent dilatation and thickening of the walls of the urinary bladder. Usually the fetal urinary bladder should get emptied within 30 to 40 minutes. So if on an interval scan one finds that the renal pelvis diameter is still high and the urinary bladder is still distended, it is significant and suggests that the patient might be having posterior urethral obstruction. This is the urinary bladder of this patient, and we find that the urinary bladder is partially dilated and the walls also appear to be thick. Let us try to see after about 30 to 40 minutes. This is around 40 minutes later, we find that the urinary bladder has got much more distended and it has a keyhole appearance, and the persistence of the dilated urinary bladder is a significant finding, suggesting that there is some obstructive pathology which is giving rise to the renal hydronephrosis, and it should not be ignored. Next important finding would be that the color box should be made around the kidney and the color should be applied over the kidney, and if the kidney is taking good amount of color, it means that the kidney's echogenicity is not increased, and the kidney is taking color, it means that the kidney is viable and it is functional. If the kidney's echogenicity is increased in the parenchyma and the color uptake by the kidney vessels is poor, it means the kidney function has gone down. This is the urinary bladder of the patient, and you find that the urinary bladder walls are thickened. If the UB walls are more than 3 millimeters in thickness, they are called as significant, and in this patient you find that the urinary bladder walls are thickened and significant. So the hydronephrosis in this patient more than 7 millimeters at third trimester of gestation may not be persistent hydronephrosis by definition, but because the ancillary findings are present, this is going to be a significant finding. And the last but not the least would be the presence of oligohydramnios, because whenever the kidney is compromised, the amount of urine formed is very little, and the oligohydronephrosis may develop in these patients, and it might be a significant finding suggesting that the kidney is in a jeopardized position. I hope you like our videos. In case you like our videos, please do not forget to press the like button. Share the video among large number of friends so that maximum number of people can be benefited. Thank you very much.